Hello guys, welcome back to the first episode of the 50K challenge. And I just woke up. I decided to clean myself up. Then after we're going to get to the big things, guys. Make sure that you check out the link in the description below to sign up with GFT so that you can get yourself an account. So now we are bathing. As you all know, we just have to wake up and freshen up, guys. We're using the old Vascom. For those who don't know what a Vascom is, it's just a basket whereby you bath. And starting off with my teeth, as you can see right there, we're brushing up, my brothers and sisters, so that we can get to the business of the day. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think about this type of content. And we're using Protex to just bath, guys. Né? Just using a simple Protex right there, guys. So let's just clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Um, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram, guys, né? And also on YouTube, just because I'll be posting this video on all platforms so that you can get to see how traders work or how traders make money in the markets, guys, né? Without selling anything to anyone. So as you can see right there, we are cleaning up, we're washing our body right there, guys. And it's my first time doing this type of content just because I am solely doing analysis on my channel. So I've decided to just do something a bit different so that you can get to see like the background or what I do like in my life. But like I didn't do much. I always do a lot, guys. Né? So for our armpits, we're just using Nivea, and I don't shave my armpits, guys. Né? Reason being, I'm too hairy. Even if I shave today, next week I'll be having the same thing. So I gave up. So I'm using a serum right there just to clear up my face, guys, just because we have a lot of things going on. And I'm wearing a simple sweater today, but like I'll change it up just because I like sweaters and it's too hot, guys. I won't lie, it's very, very hot. But like I've decided to wear a sweater just because I like it. So that is why I'm wearing it. And yeah, we're wearing it and then we are good to go. Let me just do that drip check, drip check. And I like Red Bed, guys. Red Bed is my favorite brand, I won't lie. Quality clothes right there, as you can see. And I've been having like that sweater for quite a while. So now we're in the kitchen, we're doing master chef vibes, and it's like 10 past 10. So now we are just making breakfast, guys, né? Just because I need a full stomach whenever I'm waking. I know some of you wake up with pub and all of those things, but like I like sandwiches. I like good sandwiches whereby I just eat oily things, and the coke has to go into the fridge, and I have two cokes, guys. Coke has to give me like free cokes now. I have been buying coke for quite a while. If I show you like the bottles that I have, you'll be scared, guys. Nah? And I know coke is unhealthy, but like I like it. I'm addicted to it. So we're making some bacon right there, bacon, eggs, and some simple sandwiches. So let me just fry up all those things so that you can see like what's going on, guys. Nah? So you're gonna turn on the stove right there. As you can see, I'm testing it out and put in some bacon. Put in that bacon right there, guys, and we just sizzling it, as you can see. We're sizzling it, and I hope guys you enjoy this type of content just because it takes a lot of energy. I won't lie, it takes a lot of energy, and you'll be working, you'll be moving the camera around, doing all those things. But I like it. I like it. As long as you love the videos, then I'll be trying to do them for maybe until the series ends. But like if you don't want to see like all those background things, you can just get to the things, guys, huh? To the serious stuff. So as you can see here, we are making red Viennas. I like red Viennas just because they do not shred up. I you guys, né? Some of them they are one, so I like this one here just because they do not, or especially Escort products, they are very good. So yeah, some tomatoes right there because I like fried tomatoes just to decrease that acid just because they are very acidic. So um whenever you fry them, they'll get like a little bit more nicer. So we're making eggs right there, and as soon as we're done with the eggs, I'll be making the sandwiches. As you can see right there, I'll be assembling the sandwiches, starting off with my spread and all of those things, making those nice thingies right there, guys. Né? So let's just Up some polony and all of those things just because it was a lot of work online, but like it was fun. It was fun to like make a lot of clips whereby I'll be getting to edit them, enjoy the editing process, enjoy the voiceover part of things just because I'll be watching myself doing all these things just to show you how I live, guys. Né? And that was just a testing edition right there. I was just testing out the assembly if it's good or not. So yeah, and I like eating whenever I'm making food. I like eating something on the side just to um make things good and be in no rush, né, guys. So we're making the assemblies right there. We're making some food for others, and I know most of you will tell me to wear hand gloves, but like it's a family thing, guys. We make food with our hands, and as long as I have a towel right there, I clean myself up whenever I'm a bit dirty or whenever I touch my scalp myself or my skin. That is when I use the cloth right there, guys, né? Or fight. I use fight, and yeah, guys, that is me done right there, and we have our food ready to go. So the setups that I have for today is cat chf, of which I'm looking for selling opportunities. I saw that there was like a good momentum to the downside, so I'm anticipating some sales at around this area here. So we had a change of character on the lower time frame of which is the 1 hour. So after having the change of character, we had a break of structure. So I'm waiting to get like maybe an entry on the fair value gap. As you can see here, we had some type of a supply zone. So I'm waiting for that to happen. And the other setup that I have is GBP and ZD, of which these are like high probability setups or A plus setups. And I'm gonna show you like each and everything that goes on the charts so that you can get to learn also. So around this point, we had a break of structure, tap into an area of interest, change of character, break of structure again. So I'm just waiting for the market to come into an area of interest, maybe get more continuations or more breaks of structure so that we can confirm, just because this momentum here is a bit low. So that is why I'm waiting for some more confirmation. So the current setup that I am trying to enter on is GBP AUD, of which this is a buy position that I am trying to play. And the reason why I'm trying to play this type of setup is because on the 4 hour time frame, I was looking at this. So as you can see, the momentum is to the downside. We had a tap into the fair value gap on the 4 hour. Let me just zoom out. Then we pull to the downside, break of structure. So which means that this is an overall internal structure that I'm trying to play up until maybe the 0.5 level or the fair value gap, of which it's this one here. So let me just place a few entries or maybe place like a 1% trade on GBP AUD, and I'll keep you posted on how the setup goes on during the day, guys. So this is the current change of character on the internal structure just around this point here. So I'll place a few setups and or a few trades, then I'll keep you posted, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching up until this far in the video. So today's trade hit stop loss, of which it was like a 1.5% stop loss on GBP AUD, and I'll show you the reason behind the setup, and then I'll also show you the dashboard on my good funded trader account, guys. So as you can see right here, we have the market pushing to the downside. This is the 4 hour time frame. So as we zoom out, what you can clearly see is that the market is pushing to the downside. So I started my structure from this high, low, lower high, then a lower low. Then we had a change of character giving us a higher high right there. Then the market gave us another lower low here, lower high, lower low around this point here. Then instead of respecting this area, the market decided to pull up and create this double top formation, giving us the liquidity. And then after even the liquidity, the market pulled up into the fair value gap, pulled to the downside, break of structure, which means that this is our high and then this is our lowest point. So that is how I understood structure at that point, and then I still stick to my bias just because I know that there has to come an internal structure around this point here. So the internal structure has to come up, and then maybe go above the 0.5 level, just because the blue line here is the 0.5 level. So I think that the market will just push up into that area before giving us some selling opportunities. As you can see, I marked out the fair value gap, and also we have this area of supply around this point here. So those are the two areas that I was looking at as my overall take profit, guys. No? So those are the two areas that I was looking at as my overall take profit. And what I intend to do now is to give you another video tomorrow, guys, whereby we will be trading together so that you can get to understand how to trade prop firms. And I hope you can see me from this camera angle, guys. Now, but like I hope you enjoyed this type of content, and let's get to the GoFundMe Trader dashboard. And remember, guys, also use my link in the description below so that you can purchase yourself an account. You can start at any amount. They have as little as like 5k of with around like I think it's $17, so you can just purchase that account so that you can see if you can pass it or not, guys. So join me in this journey, guys, so that we can trade together. So let me just do this. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, we're on the overall dashboard on GoFundMe Trader. And then as you can see, this is the account overview. We have 49,243 and 96 cents. And this is how the market went. And then we took 3 trades, but like that cat JPY trade was just a mistake, of which I intend to just close trades that are mistakes. I don't hold in just trying to get like profits. No, I don't do that. I close up until I see like my plan forming out on the charts. Then that is when I place an entry, guys. Now, so we took $750 loss today, and those are the trades that we took. We took GBP AUD, 2 positions with 1 lot, of which is like 2 lots, and then 1 position on KJPY, of which it was a mistake, guys. I closed it very early just because it was a mistake. So I think I've explained everything, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. The goal is to reach $54,000 so that we can pass phase 1, guys. So see you on another episode. Peace and love.